Alright, so we're gonna make a mini phone using this paper. By the way, it's from a sketchbook, but using this. Okay, wait. What is the dog over there? Okay, I'm gonna go here again. So we're gonna get some paper. I cut it off already. And make it this long, I think. Okay, now I'm gonna make from the ones from a TikTok and YouTube. So I'm gonna cut it all down like this. I know it's not correct length, but I'll try to.